All right, next project. All right, motorcycle DVR, front and rear dash cam. That way I can possibly upload some video of some of the rides I go on. We'll see what goes on. Well, that must have been a big ass bug. Look at that. I'm not sure what kind of bug left that, but I'm glad it didn't hit me in the face. Taking the seat off. We can figure out where we're going to run wires. Plus my power in the bag doesn't seem to be working, so. Oh yeah, you're dirty. Shocker there, right? Where's my power here? Maybe it's just the plugs I have that's not working. Okay, so this bike I have power that goes back to like a cigarette lighter plug for auxiliary power in the bag, so I don't have to run power anywhere else. But my negative is not really connected very well. Positive works fine, so I'm trying to chase it backwards. Here it is here, here it is here, goes up underneath there. As far as I can tell, right there, comes down into here, and then turns into this freaking fracking mess. I swear, everything I do has to turn into a giant production. So, we're going to untangle this mess, because I think this one wire that is not connected is my issue. But there's so many wires that have gotten zip tied together that you can't make heads or tails of this. So once we're done, we'll clean this back up. That one has a little LED light on there. Huh, goofy. Alright, so I got one more zip tie. Looks like these kind of go together. So what I'm going to do is if these two are what I think they are. I know, I shouldn't be undoing these, but these are just in my friggin' way. I'll tie it all back up once I'm done. That's really? Where the other end did that go? Oops. It's that right there. Oh, I still have voltage. So that wire wasn't it. Yes, this is just a shitty ground. Bad connector. Because I'm getting, yeah. Now I'm getting a decent reading. Alright. Figure this out. Alright. Problem solved. These aren't actually hooked up, but I'll plug them in anyway. Okay. Alright, now let's see if this will work. Because if this will work, I'd rather have it in the bag than up on top. Come on. Yay! Welcome and have a good trip.
Stop recording.
Oh, come on. Yay! Alright. Now we'll start running wires and figuring out where stuff's gonna go. I always forget to push the record button. I don't think that's gonna work. That's not gonna work. Jesus Christ. That is not what I wanted to fucking do at all. Fucking son of a bitch. Not what I wanted to do at all. What a friggin' waste. But I think it will still, yeah, it'll still work. Trying to get grommet inside there, but it's pretty damn thick. Who's even on the freaking pads? Come on. Faster. That ain't gonna work. Ugh. All right. Well, I never did shit. Hmm. That was only my back. Good to see me with my old man glasses on. Alright, so it's all hooked up. This one is actually sitting right there. Can't really tell when you're, I mean you can if you're looking for it, but it's there. I drilled a little hole there. This is sitting here. This one I fed through the factory goofy chingus for the radio that doesn't work. Ran it pretty much the same way. Through there, down there, followed up along there. And then it's sitting right there. Where's my phone? Ah, yes. So, if you can see that, that's the front view. And that's the rear view. So, not too bad. Hopefully the next video we'll do with me riding. Anyway, till then, hasta luego.